In SPSS, there are two basic ways that you can work with your data. The first mode is called the interactive mode. In this mode, you typically open up an SPSS data file in the data editor, and then select items from the menus to manipulate the data or to perform statistical analysis. This is called interactive mode because your relationship with the program is very much like a personal interaction, with SPSS program providing a response each time you make a selection. For example, if we want to get frequency table for the variable race with interactive mode, we can open up the SPSS program, open the data file that we want to analyze, go to the menu, select Analyze, select Descriptive Statistics, and then select Frequencies. Then select the variable of interest, in this case race. Make sure Display Frequency Tables function is checked. Select OK. Then here in the output window you can see the results. In this case, the frequency table for the variable race is displayed. You can see that this analysis is done through pull-down menu. However, there's another way to work with SPSS, which is using the syntax mode. In this mode, you type in data or you type in code in a syntax window. Once the full code is written, it is then submitted to SPSS to get the results. For example, if we want to get the same frequency table for the variable race with syntax, you need to first open a new syntax window. Go to File, New, select Syntax. This is the syntax editor of SPSS. Then you can type in the code to get frequency table. Frequencies variable equals race means give me the frequency table of the variable race. Make sure to use a period at the end of the code. Then click on this green icon and see in the output window you get the same result as you did with the pull-down menu. In general, it is more difficult to work with syntax than it is to work with the menus because you must first know what code to write in the program to produce the data transformation or analysis that you want to conduct. In this class, because most of the analysis we're going to run is relatively simple and straightforward, we're going to use interactive mode in most cases. However, it is good to know about syntax mode because in certain circumstances, only syntax mode can be used, or it is better to use syntax mode. For example, if you expect to perform the same procedures on several data sets, if you want to save a copy of the code so that it can easily be rerun next time, or when the options or procedures that you need to use are not available through the menu. That would happen when you're running some more advanced analysis, or when you're performing a very complicated set of procedures and you need to record every step. How to get the syntax? Basically, there are multiple ways to get syntax from SPSS, but I'll introduce only two ways. The first is to use the paste function. For example, if I want to get the syntax for getting frequency tables, go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Frequencies, select Race. Supposedly this is the variable we want to analyze. Instead of click on OK, click on Paste. Here, you can see the syntax for that command is given in the syntax window. Another way to get syntax is from the output window. For example, we're doing the same analysis, getting frequency table for race, clicking on OK. And here you can see at the top of your results there are two lines. These two lines are the syntax for this procedure. If you want to copy and paste this, first double click and then you can edit. Select, copy, and then you can paste it to your Word editor or to other editor that you prefer. Also, the syntax function provides you with more flexibility when you're running analysis. For example, let's return to this code. Frequency variables equals race. If you want to get not only the frequency tables for variable race but also gender, just type in gender after race, select these two lines, click on this green icon, which means to submit your code to SPSS. Here you see not only race but also gender is created frequency tables. You can try it with other variables. Student type. So syntax is also a very convenient way to run analysis once you know how to run it.